always low prices at Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza.
Well, I have nothing against Michelle Fiore as a person. I don't really know her that well. What I do have a problem with is the process that they used. The process that they used for the selection seems to be a little bit contrary to our Nevada revised statutes and the rules that govern that. Well, you have to be a resident for 30 days prior to your filing. So her filing was stamped on the December 7th, and the deadline for filing was December 8th, which is fine. She claims her residency as November 14th or 15th on video.
So this has been a plan for a while. I have 2.5 acres on Jolie that I bought June of 2022. I am renting a house as of 11/14 or 15.
Then her attorney, a few days later, to be able to basically counteract a decision that was made in Las Vegas at a city council vote, claims that her residency was actually the 17th. So either Michelle Fiore did not know what her actual date of residency is, which I think is kind of weak for somebody that's going to be a justice of the peace, or it's not factual.
I'm going to make a motion that we take the list as is and select Michelle Fiore because she had the majority of the votes.
The video of the entire session, it was rather some poor acting and some foreshadowing in the questionings that they actually had their mind made up. And a lot of the rumors and innuendo that goes around in the circles in Nye County, and you know what those things are, people kind of had a feeling that the fix was in. What's surprising about that is that most people, there's a lot of Republicans in Nye County, and I understand that, and I'm a Republican myself. However, a lot of people feel that they always have the thing that the fix is in for the left's doing this, they're stealing votes, they're doing this, and yet our elected officials that we trusted did exactly what we don't want elected officials to do. It just doesn't seem right. And if they had any knowledge of this applicant coming in with a application that was not valid due to residency requirements, they should have never voted for her. So they're probably just as guilty of NRS 293.1755 as the applicant. I'm not suing the county. I have a complaint with the Attorney General, and I made a copy of it so it'd be available to them. I did address it to them as a courtesy. I'm not suing anybody. I would say I have a complaint to the Attorney General about the actions that our Board of Commissioners took and the applicant themselves who potentially falsified a record.